What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing a DIY. Is that what we're calling it? I guess it is, right?
I don't think it's called a DIY if you're painting.
We're painting. I think DIY sounds way more sophisticated.
I think a DIY is like a project that you do.
This is a project. I think this is a project. And we're going to drink wine. Are you excited?
Well, for the wine or the project?
Both.
We drink wine every night, so.
We drink wine a lot. Well, I'm excited for the project. Should I tell them what it is?
Yeah, sure. Go.
Okay, so spoiler alert, not really spoiler alert. Let me preface this by saying I've wanted to do this for a while, but Chris has been nervous about it. And then eventually it becomes like his idea. So now like we can do it. So I wanted to paint the pantry door for a while, and we're going to do it today. We went to Home Depot, and we both knew we were going to paint it blue, but we weren't like sold on exactly what shade of blue, and we knew we wanted it dark. So we both picked out the same color blue, which is amazing. And we're also going to paint the island, this whole area, and all underneath here. So we're going to get started. We're going to tape everything off.
Take everything off?
Tape.
Oh, I thought we take everything off.
How much wine have you had?
I'm down.
You're always down. We're always down for a good time at the Graham house. But we're going to tape everything off, prep, and we're going to take you guys along for the ride. And we will be drinking wine. And I'm sure this is going to be a super fun time because we always have fun working together, right?
Yeah.
He loves working with me. Okay, let's do this. Josh, what's he doing? Josh, what's he doing? What is he doing?
Messages I've saved that I never send, 'cause I don't know you, but I used to back then. I remember that I was drunk out my mind when we kissed for the first time in the back of your car. We passed out.
Okay, what are we doing here?
Drinking wine. Getting drunk. Opening the paint so we can start actually getting it going. Ready to say?
Mm-hmm. Cheers.
Ready?
Mm-hmm. Oh, I think it's gonna be pretty.
They gave us like a spout for that. Works. Never saw this before.
Me neither. Wish they had this when we were redoing our house in New Jersey.
Okay.
How's that?
I think it's on all the way.
Okay.
Great. Good. Boom. Here's the blue paint.
Amen to that. All right, let's do this. And so it begins, guys. So this is what I've been doing. I'm gonna show you. I've been doing all the taping, and Chris decided he's gonna start painting right here. It's not done being taped yet. Go ahead, keep moving. Keep moving. There you go. That side's taped. Wow. It's definitely going to be different. Would you agree?
Yeah, but I think it's gonna look good.
I think it's gonna look good too.
I hope.
Me too. I think it's gonna be good. I think it's gonna be really good. I think it's gonna bring everything together. I'm digging it so far.
Yeah, it's already like, what, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock at night?
It's 8 o'clock.
We talked about like a couple hours ago, like, we should paint all stuff blue. We're like, let's go to Home Depot. We got everything, we just start painting.
Yeah. I do like the color though. It like really pops.
Yeah, I'm curious to see how it's gonna look when the door's done too.
Yeah, me too. I'm really excited to paint the door. Maybe I should jump on the door while you're doing this.
So the inside of the door is done.
Well, done.
I think one coat's good enough.
I think you've had too many glasses of wine.
I think the island looks really good.
Yeah. I think the island looks really good. I like the way that it absorbed the paint too. Like, it almost looks like it could be done in one coat. But we'll definitely be two because this looks not great. I really like this color a lot. I hope once you put the bar stools and everything back, that it like looks really good. I have a feeling this is gonna be the last coat here, but the door for sure is gonna need like 3.
The door hates blue.
Yeah, it's throwing up the blue.
If you're not supposed to roll the door.
I mean, the DIY videos I've watched, they do.
What videos did you watch?
I watched them today when I was trying to figure out if you're supposed to paint the inside of the door or not. Remember?
They rolled the door?
Yeah, they rolled the door.
I think we rolled the doors in Jersey too.
Yeah, I don't see why you wouldn't. Oh, yeah. I'm getting too old for this. I mean, do you like it so far?
Yeah.
Are you like happy you did this?
It just sucks when you paint and it's like terrible and then you realize you do a whole other coat. And you didn't even finish your first coat yet.
Well, we're committed because this is a dark color and I'm not climbing over this to redo this, so we're all in. The door on the pantry is going to take a lot of coats. Maybe 3, maybe 4, I don't know, but it's a work in progress. However, the island is loving the paint and we're actually ready to take the tape off. So I'm going to get my hands dirty right now.
People are gonna think this video's in slow motion.
Our guys are moving really slow on purpose. I'm nervous.
It's not even dry yet, so it's not like it's gonna peel off with the tape.
Oh, really? Why don't you lead with that?
Just peel it away from the paint. So pull it, yeah, that corner towards me.
Okay.
You put the smallest pieces on. You're gonna be
No,
all night.
in the beginning I did, and then I used much bigger pieces. I'm gonna be here all morning. It's like 9 o'clock at night.
This is making me look forward to doing the new house.
They don't know what we're doing there yet.
Oh boy.
Um,
Pull it towards me. There you go. Well, we're not filming this whole tape pulling process because we'll be here till midnight.
Do we like it? Is the jury out, or do we like it? I hope we like it because putting this back is really gonna.
Oh, you got paint all over the floor.
Stop it.
No, I'm just kidding.
Okay, so while we were getting started, I posted on Instagram to ask us anything, which you guys all know sometimes is a very risky or risque thing to say. But I did get a couple good questions that we will share with you right now. Chris, you ready for this?
No, this always gives me anxiety.
Dum dum dum. Favorite cocktail? What's your favorite cocktail?
What I drink and what my favorite cocktail is are 2 different things.
Okay, well, what's your favorite? That's the question.
Jack and Coke is my favorite.
Okay.
But I don't drink it too much because it's a soda. And I hate diet. So if anybody that says, just drink diet. I hate diet. Diet for people that get too many booster vaccines.
Mine is a dirty martini. You will see me drink that all the time. And I don't even feel bad about it. Tito's and plain olives, not the blue cheese olives. Somebody asked if we were going to go to California for a business deal. Ooh, I don't know.
What kind of business do we have in California?
I don't know. What kind of business do we have in California?
We should find some.
We should. Somebody said, I don't have a question. Much respect. Thank you. Jeremy Gray won. Thank you. That was very nice. Inappropriate.
This thing is so many Cokes.
Rezzy Boy asked if we were going to go back to Billings, Montana. I don't know when. I'm sure we will at some point. I'm not exactly sure when. Firefighter 1X asked if we missed the snow in the Northeast.
Not for a second.
We made this standard joke, but all kidding aside, we literally left our... Wow, the door looks amazing from behind me right now. You look amazing doing that. We left our snow boots and shovels in New Jersey. We're not looking back, guys. Favorite food, Chris?
Steak. Yeah, I think steak and then like carbs. Steak and potatoes.
That would probably be my favorite. That's like my go-to when we go out to eat for sure. But like my guilty pleasure will always be a chicken parm or a veal parm. Veal parm has to be done right, and I will tell you, Villa Toscana in Myrtle Beach, shout out, they do veal right. Otherwise, it's typically like a chicken parm is like my dirty cheat, and when I'm doing a dirty cheat like that, I will eat all the pasta. It's my favorite. Let's see, what else do we got? Any plans to go to Atlanta? Have we been to
ATL.
Have we
Pizza.
ever been to Atlanta?
A-Town down.
I think he's freaking out. He's smelling the fumes. I don't think we've ever been to Atlanta other than into the airport to go somewhere else. But I don't know. Maybe we'll have to make it a thing. But no, we don't have any current plans to go to Atlanta.
I've never been to Atlanta.
We do have some travel plans coming up.
To Atlanta.
And no, but if you did see the last vlog, we do have a kind of mini vacation getaway coming up very, very soon. And I will be doing a try-on haul with bikinis, and that's all I'm going to tell you right now.
How's it going?
It's going. I'm like halfway done with this side of the door. And
It's starting to come out better now that it's like
yeah,
almost
and
done.
it's like sticking better.
Maybe it's because we're drinking more, so things look better. It's
Yeah.
like women.
There's actually no coats of paint on this.
The more you drink, the better women look. It's like doors, same thing. Hey, can you get that box, those two right there, and whip up some waffles?
No, I'm not whipping up waffles right now.
You're doing good so far.
I think I'm crushing it.
Let's see the contrast again.
That looks amazing. I'm really happy with that.
We should be professional painters. I do need breakfast for dinner, though, because I'm starving.
I made you an amazing meal tonight. Ooh.
Yeah, this side is, You painting that door.
This is it.
You killed it. Killed it. Period.
I like it, though.
I had way too much to drink.
Do you like it?
It looks real good.
I really like it. I'm going to stand back here. I really like it. I need a new pantry sign.
I think we should redo the island in white and the door in red. Hear me out.
You've had way too much to drink. Let me guess. You want to paint it the color of Cabernet.
Yes.
I saw where you're going with that. No. We have a coastal theme in our house.
I think it looks good.
I really like it. I dig it. I do. Okay, guys. We are all out of wine. Well, we're done with wine for the evening. And we are done painting the island and the door. The door is still really wet because it took a lot of coats, but I really dig it. So comment below and let us know what you think of the changes. I think we should do like a walking in so you get like a full feel. What do you think? Let's do it. Let's do like a walking in. Okay. All right. Pivot. Pivot. Do we love it? I do. I don't really care what you say. But comment below. Let me know what you think. I really think it's a really good look. Like I said earlier in the video, we have kind of like a nautical coastal theme kind of running through the whole house. Lots of blues, lots of whites, lots of grays. I really think this makes all the blues pop. So let me know what you think. We love it. Like the video, and we'll see you guys next time.